First of all, a warm welcome. We seem to have a fairly large number of participants in this group. This is our first interaction for this special group. So I would request, first of all, a very quick introduction, just 2 sentences telling us your name and what exactly you do in your profession. May I request everybody to kindly switch on the video, please, if possible, if you are connected on video. What I will do is I will take names one by one. Let me go to the participants list. There are 31 participants. That means, my God, a large number of people. Good. I can now see people one by one. C. Prasad Chaurasia, I somehow remember this name.
Yes, sir.
Did we
Yes, sir.
talk on phone?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
I have joined by phone.
Okay, no problem. All right. So let me just go through the list one by one. Deepak Phatak is me. Firuza, you already know. She is my associate along with Nagesh. Tarachan Saini.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I am Tarachan Saini from Kendriya Vidyalaya, ONGC, Agartala, Tripura. Sir, I am a TGT science teacher.
Science.
Yes.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. May I request Tulsi Prasad Chaurasia to tell us about what he does?
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, myself TP Chaurasia. I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ambikapur, PGT Maths.
Okay.
I have no any idea about programming and computer
That
etc.
is perfectly fine. Most of us don't have any idea when we begin, so don't worry about it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Let me request Atul Mankar to tell us about himself, please.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am Atul Mankar from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1, Ordnance Factory, Talsi. I am a PGT Biology and I teach biology to the students of class 11th and 12th.
Wonderful. So we'll figure out how we can do useful programming which can help you to teach biology better. That is our long-term ambition.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alka Krishnani, please.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Alka Krishnani from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Bhopal. I am primary teacher.
Oh, I see. Which classes do you teach, Alka? 1st to 5th or?
Sir, 1st to 5th I am taking.
I see. And what have you studied yourself?
Sir, I have done MCom.
Oh, wow. That is good. All right. Thank you, Alka. We have Bhagya Lakshmi ji.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell us.
Yes, sir. I am a librarian in Kendriya Vidyalaya, IIT Chennai, sir.
Oh, librarian. So
Yes,
you
sir.
actually take care of ensuring that all knowledge seekers get access to knowledge. Huh? Great. So what was your interest in doing this? You must have done a librarian's course, right?
Yes, sir. I have done MLISC, sir, Master of Library Science.
Master of Library. So that is good. Although you don't have any programming background, I guess.
Yes, sir. I don't have any programming background,
Don't
sir.
worry, we'll take care of it. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So AR Sunita by TGT. What does TGT mean? I don't see AR Sunita by anywhere here on the screen. But she is listed in the. Yes. You have to unmute yourself, madam. Your microphone is muted. Just press the space bar. I think it should do if you have a computer. Otherwise, you have to press on a microphone icon to unmute. Okay, we'll get back to her later. There is one person called A.B. Maiden.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please tell us about yourself.
Sir, myself, Baby Madan from Kendriya Vidyalaya, FRI, Dehradun.
Oh, you are Madan, but you spell
Yes.
it M-E-D-A-N. Sorry for mispronunciation by me.
Sir, it's going on from class 10th.
Oh, you teach class 10. What subjects do you teach, Madan?
No, sir, spelling mistake is going on from class 10th. My certificate in class 10th,
I see.
it was Madan.
Acha.
While filling board class 4, it was Madan.
No, that's
My
okay.
teachers.
People
I am
spell
teaching,
my
sir.
name as Pathak, and
Okay,
that is considered valid even by my bank, although I am Pathak. But that's all right. What do you do, Madan?
Sir, I am teaching the maths from 6 to 10.
Oh, 6 to 10th, I see.
Maths, TGT maths.
Very good, thank you. So
Thank you,
Alka
sir.
Krishnani, we have done it. Anika,
Yes, sir.
yes, please tell us about yourself, Anika.
Namaste, sir. Sir, I'm TGT in Kendriya Vidyalaya. I'm working in KB, KB to Tambaram Air Force Station. I'm TGT. I teach Hindi, sir.
To which classes, Anika?
Sir, 6th, 9th, 10th.
Oh, I see. Okay, good. So you have studied Hindi yourself, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right. Anubhuti Dikshit.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. My name is Anubhuti Dikshit. I am a CRT teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya CRT. And sir, I also don't know anything about programming, but I hope we will learn through this workshop something.
Okay, good. We have Aarti Parida.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Aarti Parida. I am working on Kendriya Vidyalaya Saharsa, Bihar. I am a primary teacher and I don't have any idea about programming.
No problem. What have you studied, Aarti?
Sir, I am completed my MSc in chemistry honors.
Arey, kya baat hai. You are a science teacher. You are a science student. That is fine.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then we have Arendra Basudev.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Arendra Vasudev from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Jagdalpur. It's in Chhattisgarh. Thank you, sir.
Did you say Jagdalpur?
Yes, sir.
I have some very sweet memories. I studied for 1 year there, or almost 9
Oh
months.
my God. Oh.
You have something called Bastar High School in
Yes,
Jagdalpur.
yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, that is where I studied my part of my 8th standard. So what do you
Oh.
teach?
Sir, actually, I teach English and I am a primary teacher,
What have you studied yourself?
a master in English, sir,
I
and
see.
B.Ed.
Very good. All right.
Thank you so much.
We have Amit Kumar.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Amit Kumar, working in Kendriya Vidyalaya BSF Teliamura, situated in Tripura.
Oh, we already have one person from Agartala. You are also from Tripura.
Yes, sir.
And what do you teach?
Sir, I teach mathematics, and I am graduate in mathematics.
Mathematics. But which standard do you teach mathematics?
Sir, from 6 to 10, sir.
Oh, 6 to 10. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have Arvind Kumar Yadav.
Yes, sir. Sir, myself, Arvind Kumar Yadav from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Kanker, Chhattisgarh.
Arey, Kanker.
And
It is
TGT,
between Raipur and Jagdalpur, right?
Yes, sir. Bastar region.
I know. You are reminding me of some old memories. I am talking about 1957-58. I don't think you were even born then, right?
That time it was called as a Bastar, but now it is divided in
I know all about it. I've been following it. Bastar and Chandrapur in Maharashtra were the two largest districts in the country, and each one was larger in area than the state of Kerala.
Oh,
yeah. So
it
anyway,
is very nice, sir.
Yeah, all right. So what do you teach?
Sir, I teach work education from class 6 to 10. Yes.
So work education is an interesting topic. What do you teach there?
Sir, basically, I'm from some electrical concept and project making.
I see. All right. Thank you. Atul Mankar, we talked to already, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Chirag Khatri. Chirag, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
I am Chirag Khatri, sir. I am primary teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mahu. I teach class 1st to 5th, all subjects, and M.Com, I am, sir.
You have done M.Com?
Yes, sir. I have completed.
Mahu, I'm being reminded of interesting things. You know, I myself studied in Indore in GSITS, so I have lots of friends from Mahu.
Yes, sir.
You live there in Mahu?
Yes, sir. I live.
Good.
Thank you.
Then Dharmendra Kumar.
Good afternoon, sir. I teach undergraduate students in Delhi University, mathematics honors.
Oh, undergraduate students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So which BSc first year, second year, something like that?
Yeah, first year. Yes, sir.
First year. And what subject do you
Calculus.
teach?
Calculus and partial differential equation.
I see. You yourself must have done maths MSc or something, right?
Yes. MSc Mathematics.
MSc Mathematics. Very good. Thank you. But
Thank
like
you, sir.
all our other friends, you also have no clue about programming.
I have little bit. I did it in MSc actually.
Oh, I see.
Around 15 years back.
That was long time. Don't worry. We'll correct the situation.
Thank you, sir.
Divya Bonta.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes, Divya.
Yes,
How
sir.
do you,
Myself,
how do you pronounce your name? Will you please say that once again, please?
Dibbaya Bonta. Bonta is my title, sir.
I see. Okay.
Dibbaya Bonta. I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ungur, Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Right. You are
I
the
am
one who
PGT
has
Economics.
posted it.
PGT Economics, sir.
Okay.
I teach 6th to 10th and 11th and 12th also economics.
I see.
So I have been registered, sir. I have not yet enrolled for any course.
Yeah. So you should do that. You should enroll for this course on the IIT Bombay X platform.
That is the basics. They are teaching the basics.
Yeah.
For that course.
Chirag Khatri, I think we already talked to, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we did. Dharmendra Kumar, we talked to. Dinesh Prajapati, we talked to. No, Dinesh Prajapati, we did not talk to.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Dinesh Prajapati from Kendriya Vidyalaya, NTPC Korba, situated in Chhattisgarh. I am a primary teacher here, sir, and teaching mathematics in class 3 and 5 only.
And what have you studied, Dharmendra?
I have completed my BSc, sir. BSc and
Dinesh Prajapati, sorry.
yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Dr. Mridula Chaturvedi.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I am Dr. Mridula Chaturvedi, TGT Maths in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Durg, Chhattisgarh.
Oh, you're also from Durg, Korba, Kanker, Jagdalpur. All my sweet memories arose because of all of you. Thank you so much. So what do you teach?
Mathematics, sir.
Oh, mathematics. And you have studied mathematics yourself, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did MPhil and PhD in mathematics.
Oh, I see. But did you not have any occasion to look at programming ever?
Once in when I was in MPhil, I was doing MPhil, then little bit of GW Basic.
That's okay. That's okay. We have now Kiran Reddy.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kiran Reddy, physical education teacher. I am in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
I see. Okay. Thank you. Sir. Kshama Singh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'm Kshama Singh from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Phulpur, Prayagraj.
Oh.
And I teach yes, sir. I teach physics in senior classes 11th and 12th.
And what subjects do you teach, Kshama?
Physics, sir.
Acha, physics. Oh.
Physics.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Madhubala. That's a beautiful name.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Madhubala and I am TGT English, sir, from Kendriya Vidyalaya IMA, Premnagar, Dehradun. And I am teaching classes from 6th to 10th, sir.
I see. And what have you studied yourself, Madhubala?
Sir, I didn't know about that programming, sir,
No,
because
that's okay.
I have not studied
I'm just asking you, what is
before
your
that,
educational
sir.
background? What have you studied?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I did my post-graduation and I did MPhil in English also, sir.
Oh, I see. Very good. Mandhari Kevat.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Mandhari Kevat and I am TGT Maths from Kendriya Vidyalaya Eastern Air Command, Upper Shillong, Meghalaya.
Oh, Northeast, Upper Shillong. Shillong is a beautiful place, by the way.
Yes, sir.
What classes do you
please come, sir. Sir, I teach class 6 to 10, sir. I teach maths. Sir, I have done MSc Mathematics.
Muhammad Amir Khan.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Muhammad Amir Khan, PGT Mathematics in Kendriya Vidyalaya, New Kent, Prayagraj.
Oh, I see.
I am teaching mathematics in 11 and 12 classes.
And you yourself must have studied maths, right?
Yes, MSc Mathematics.
MSc Mathematics. Good. Nagraj. Is Mr. Nagaraj there?
Professor Pathak, good afternoon. I am Nagaraj from Kendriya Vidyalaya DAE Kalpakam. Nice to be associated with you, sir. I work for Kendriya Vidyalaya. I teach English for classes 6 to 10.
I see.
And just like you, I also wondering why this goof up has happened with the KVS, because we have mostly primary teachers. I do not know it is from the principals or from their own. I came on my own accord, not from my school. I registered on my own self, sir. I wish to know whether what happened with other people. I don't know. So is it because of pressure or something else? Nice meeting you, Professor Pathak. Very glad to see you once again.
Nagaraj, do you have programming background?
Yeah, sir. Some few years back, I started with the C++ and then again with C. Then
very good.
But had some trouble with the syntax and not able to go forward beyond that conditional clauses.
No problem. You should be able to look up the background material that we have provided and should be able to come up the ladder. No problems. Nikita.
Good afternoon, sir. I am a primary teacher from KV Bina. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Elementary Education and my master's in English. And I have good knowledge in Python and C++.
And what do you teach the primary students?
Sir, I teach 5th class English.
Oh, I see. We have Neetu Yadav. I think we already spoken to Neetu Yadav or not yet?
नमस्कार सर, नहीं सर, अभी तक नहीं हुई ये बात.
नमस्कार नीतू, बोलिए.
Sir, I'm Neetu Yadav from KV Hakimpet, Hyderabad, and I teach classes from 1st to 5th, and I have done masters in maths and still pursuing BA in political science.
I see. Political science.
जी sir.
It is extremely difficult to apply any programming algorithms to political science.
Yes, sir.
You deal with things which are most unpredictable and rowdy, but that's okay. It's part of life. You deal with real life, Nikita. Good.
Yeah.
Neetu.
Thank you.
Sorry, not Nikita, Neetu. All right. P. Marjorie. No,
Good afternoon, sir. I am Mrs. Marjorie. I am working in KV2, Tambaram, Chennai. And I am teaching English. I am PGT English. Taking 11th and 12th.
So you
Yes,
teach
sir.
11th and 12th, I see.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good. Prashant Dakne.
Okay, my name is Prashant Dakne, sir. I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya Dharwad. I am primary teacher from Bangalore region, sir.
And what have you studied, Prashant?
I have completed BA, Bachelor of Arts, sir.
I see. Good. Priyanka Mehta.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I am TGT Maths in Kendriya Vidyalaya Kunjaban, Agartala, and I am teaching the maths to the 6th to 10th class, sir.
Oh, you are the third person from Agartala in this group. Interesting. Ram Pratap Panwar.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I'm Ram Pratap Pawar, Kendriya Vidyalaya, New Kent, Prayagraj.
Oh,
TGT
Prayagraj.
Science.
I see. And what subject do you teach?
Science, sir.
Science. I see. Rashmi Pandey.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Rashmi ji.
I am Rashmi Pandey, working in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sukna. It is situated in Darjeeling, and I am a primary teacher. I am teaching maths and EVS in primary classes.
Oh, I see. And what have you studied yourself, Rashmi ji?
Master in history.
Oh, wow. Wow. Interesting. Good. Okay. Renu Manchal.
Good morning to all. Sir, my name is Renu and I teach mathematics to class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, that is PGT mathematics. And I am situated right now in KV number 4, Korba, Raipur region. And my highest qualification is MSc mathematics.
MSc Mathematics.
Yes.
Are you from Raipur itself or some other place?
No, sir, I belong to Haryana.
Orissa.
Yes,
See,
sir.
Raipur is another city where I studied for 1 year in the 9th standard.
Okay, sir.
Small world. Sandeep Roy.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sandeep Roy, librarian from KV NIT Agartala, sir.
Oh, KV NIT Agartala.
Yes, sir.
Oh, my God, small world. You know, I was chairman of the board of governors of NIT Agartala and I used to visit Agartala very frequently. That was several years ago.
Oh,
You have been there for how long?
Sir, 2 years, sir.
I see. I see. So you would not know Professor Gopal Mugera, who was there earlier.
Yes, sir. I heard his name.
All right. Good meeting you again. Reena, did we talk to Reena already? I can't see Reena anywhere. Reena, are you there? Can you unmute yourself and speak to us, please? Funny, Reena is listed in the participants, but is not visible to me on the screen. All right. We'll skip Reena madam. No, she has disappeared from my list also. Shruti Yadav.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Shruti Yadav from Kendriya Vidyalaya Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and I am a TGT Science, and I have done my post-graduation chemistry, and I teach class 6 to 10th. Thank you.
I see. Then we have Sonali Rai.
Good
I think
afternoon,
we
sir.
already spoke to Sonali, right?
No, sir.
No. Tell us about yourself, Sonali.
Yes, good afternoon, sir. I'm Sonali Rai and I'm a TGT English in Kendriya Vidyalaya Dhar, Madhya Pradesh.
Oh, Dhar.
And yes, sir. And I have done my English honors and I'm pursuing masters in English.
Where did you study your English honors?
DU, sir, Delhi University.
Delhi University. So why did you go to Dhar all the way?
Sir, I am a resident of Delhi, but I have a new posting actually. Kendriya Vidyalaya has sent me to Dhar. I have joined in 2019 only.
I see. Dhar is the place of Raja Bhoj, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Fine. Now we have Sukanta Maji.
Sir, good afternoon to you and all the participants. Myself, Sukanta Maji, working as librarian in Kendriya Vidyalaya HPC Panchgram from Assam, and I am basically from West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Thank you, sir.
So you would also have studied library science or something, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done masters in library.
You would not have studied any programming, which is all right.
Not at all, sir.
So what interested you in this workshop, Sushant? I'm just curious.
Sir, on a true sense, in the library, softwares are also backend programming languages plays a major role. Like I think you heard about the library software that is well known throughout the world, that is Koha. So Koha is written in Perl programming language, and side by side DSpace is a very well known digital library software that is also very well known throughout the world. And side by side it is run in Apache web server using Ant, Maven and Lucene, these kind of things. But on the masters in librarian information science course, it is very frankly speaking, sir, we have not gained any practical knowledge about programming. But as per my personal opinion is concerned, for the sake of my curiosity, I have a very basic theoretical knowledge, honestly speaking, sir, but I have no practical knowledge
No,
regarding
I think you made some important points for the benefit of all participants and particularly for other two. Incidentally, Koha and DSpace is what we live on. Our own library is now computerized using Koha. We just shifted last year from a proprietary system to Koha. And DSpace is used as a backend in a very large number of systems,
Yes, sir.
including
Yes, sir.
some of the repositories. So good that you mention it. However, I must clarify that beginning a course on how to teach computer programming is unlikely to train you on the intricacies of the Koha system and so on, but you will come to appreciate those things better. And I appreciate your curiosity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Next
Thank
is
you.
Sonali Rai, we already talked to. Tanu Verma. Is Tanu Verma here?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I am a primary teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya CRPF, Havdi, Chennai, sir.
So you have an interesting name because I mistook you to be a lady because Tanu is typically the name of people in India.
Yes, I'm male, sir.
So you must have a longer name, right? This must be an abbreviation. No.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
We have Tapan Srivastava.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Tapan Srivastava. I am PGT Commerce and in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ambikapur, sir. And
Ambikapur, another person from Chhattisgarh.
yes, sir. And I did Masters in Commerce, sir, MCom.
MCom, I see. Where are you from, basically, Tapan?
Sir, my native place is Bhopal, sir, from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, thank you. We have TR Pintu Kumar. Does TR stand for Thiru? What is the...
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, myself Pintu Kumar, TGT Hindi. I am working KV2 Tambram, Chennai.
Oh, Tambram, Chennai.
Yes, sir. Teaching classes in 7th and 9th. Highest qualification MA History, Master of History.
What have you studied? You said Master of?
History, sir.
Oh, history. I see.
Yes, sir.
Interesting.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. US Yadav.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am US Yadav, PGT Biology from Kendriya Vidyalaya NTPC Rihannagar, Varanasi region. I teach biology and class 11th and 12th.
I see. So you would have done your MSc biology or something, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I see. Good.
Okay, thank you.
There is Vasant Lakshmi. Is Vasant Lakshmi there? We are getting a lot of noise from your end, but no voice. I think Vasant Lakshmi has disappeared, and in her place, 39 Shakuntala has appeared on my screen. This Zoom is a very funny business, I think.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir, and all the participants. Myself is Shakuntala. I am a PRT in KVIIT, Chennai. I have completed my MA in English. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And is there anybody I have left out?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Who is speaking, please?
I'm
Please tell us your name.
Sir. Yes. Good afternoon, sir. I am A.R. Sunita Bai from Hyderabad region, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Tirupati. I am working as a TGT. I put up a 20 years service here in Tirupati. My qualification is history, English, and MPhil. I do not have any knowledge about the basic.
No problem. History, English, and what other subject did you mention?
Sociology, economics.
Oh, sociology. So you have yourself studied what?
Sociology and economics.
I mean, you have studied history or you have
History, sir. History.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
English also.
I see. English. All right. Anybody else who is left out? No. I think we are done with the introduction. So let me now tell you what was the reason why I decided to spend important 35-40 minutes of our first 1 hour interaction in these kind of introduction. First of all, this lets all of us know each other better. And you would agree that when you deal with students, they must know about each other, they must know, and everybody else should know about what you are doing and so on. The second is some protocol about the use of technology that needs to be followed. And I'm so happy and proud that all of you have followed it. First of all of you remained muted so that you did not cause any noise in the system. Second, whenever your name was announced, you unmuted yourself, you talked to us, you told us about yourself, and then you muted yourself again. This might appear to be a very simple thing, but let me tell you, when you deal with students in online courses, it is absolutely impossible to expect from them these simple protocols. So to begin with, you must actually tell them these simple things. They may be logging in from a mobile or using a laptop or an iPad or whatever it is, but they must understand these basic things. The second point I wanted to confirm is that none of you have any programming experience. You do not know programming and you do not teach programming. As I said yesterday, and what Supratik also observed, this is frankly not the intended group for this course. In fact, one of the participants in this group pointed this out, that he does not know why so many people have registered. But having registered, as we agreed, we'll try to do the best that we can. For this group specifically, we would certainly like to concentrate on the pedagogy aspects more. In this context, you would have participated in the breakout room discussions yesterday. Was any one of you the moderator for any group? You unmute yourself, then I can see that you were. If not, with the raised hand, I cannot see. All right. Did you benefit from the discussion that happened in the breakout room yesterday? Because you must have gone to some breakout room or the other. Can any one or two of you?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So is Sunita
Yes,
Bai speaking? Can you tell us about how
It's
you
benefit-
benefited from that discussion?
Yes. Yes, sir. When children is not response when you are in classes, and how to deal. One. Second one, when you get any problems when dealing with the children, especially how to solve the problem immediately, and will and focus to them towards the teaching, and any also problems also we can solve and discuss, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else who was in another group and would like to share what you discussed? Yes. Marjorie wishes to say something. Over to you, Marjorie.
Actually, my connection get cut, sir.
Oh, I see. No problem. But did you benefit from the discussion in the breakout rooms yesterday?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay, good. Let me take just one specific name and get a feedback from someone. We have a doctor amongst us, Dr. Mridula Chaturvedi. Dr. Mridula, can I request you to tell us about your experience in discussion with the breakout room, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was very nice. Yesterday, we discussed many things, and we have, so some points are like one-way communication and some network issues, financial status of families of children,
Yes.
and use of device,
All
etc.
right.
So these are that discussion was really very wonderful, and it was really very fruitful.
Very good. Now, having said all of this, as Professor Supratik and I mentioned to you, we would primarily be assigning some pedagogy related tasks to you, which if you complete, you will be qualified to get a certificate from this course. But as I mentioned, this course is about teaching programming basics. And it will not be fair for you to get a certificate unless you get some glimpse of programming. Of course, we don't expect you to be as efficient or proficient programmers as your other colleagues in other groups, but at least some basic programming you should attempt to learn as a part of this course is our desire. The course syllabus, if you have seen the different modules of the background material of CS 101X, there are a large number of modules there. Out of all of those, we would expect you to understand the basics of programming, what is a procedure, how do you write simple programs, how do you make the computer execute instructions in a sequence, and finally, how do you set up algorithms or write programs which can conditionally execute some statements and which can iteratively execute some statements. These are the only things that we would like you to know. However, instead of using C++, we would like you to use Python, which is the programming language that is being used in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Please note that all this learning is primarily to build some confidence and background in you. Don't confuse it with the assignments that you will do in this course, which predominantly will be assignments related to pedagogy. Professor Supratik and I will discuss and finalize those. But one of the assignments will definitely be what should I say, an effort to write some simple programs. So we will definitely ensure that you learn the basics. today in the main session, we are going to discuss how to introduce computer programming to students. Although you may not know programming, but you will definitely benefit from that discussion also. And later on in the concluding part of the main session, we will tell you how to use, or during the session, we'll tell you how to use a tool called CodeBoard, which is like the computer that you can write programs for and it can execute the programs for you. There is some background material in this workshop course, the background material pertaining to introduction to basic concepts. I will soon let you know which are the different modules. Those modules have nothing to do with either C++ or Python. They are only about what is programming, what is procedure, how to write, and to make a sort of mental model about what a computer is, and to understand the basic steps in writing any program. Does not matter which programming language you use. We'll identify those modules and we would expect you to study those modules on your own. There are video sessions and there are some practice assignments there which you will enjoy doing. I will now like to hand over to Professor Supratik to make some general observations. But let me repeat what I just said. All of you will qualify in this workshop to get a certificate, primarily based on assignments which we believe you can do and which will all relate to the pedagogy issue. But because this is a workshop on how to teach programming basics, we would like all of you to become reasonably conversant with some elementary programming for which we will use Python language. I will be constructing some additional videos for this purpose. By the way, I also do not know Python programming. So I am also learning, but I have the advantage of having taught programming for 50 years. So hopefully I can learn quickly. What I'm going to do is, I will identify the modules which I just told you you should study. And then I will introduce additional modules which are primarily meant only for you. Of course, the other people, if they wish to benefit, they can also look at it, because that may perhaps give them also some idea on how to introduce Python programming to students. That's all I wanted to share. I would request Professor Supratik to share his thoughts with you and make you more comfortable. In particular, I would like him to comment on the kind of letter that you all want us to write to Kendriya Vidyalaya authorities, what should be the modalities, etc. Over to you, Professor Supratik.
Yeah, thank you, Professor Phatak, and good afternoon, all of you. It was very nice and very nice listening to the introduction of all of you. We all come from different backgrounds, from different parts of the country, with different strengths. Each one of us has our own strengths, and I mean, it so turns out that because of perhaps some miscommunication at the end of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, that all of you are here, because this was meant to be for teachers who teach programming. But nevertheless, as Professor Phatak mentioned, since you are here, we will try to make the best use of the time that you are here, so that you take back something that is of use to you as well. And as Professor Phatak mentioned, hopefully you will get to, I mean, although you may not have done programming or taught programming, hopefully you'll get to see a little bit, a glimpse of what programming is about and why it is really an important element that we should have in our education system today, regardless of what discipline you finally specialize in. Now, there are a couple of points that I would like to mention beyond what Professor Phatak mentioned. So the first thing is, my on behalf of the entire course team, I would request all of you to just let us know through the chat window or through the discussion forum on IITBX if there is some part of what we are going to discuss over today and the coming few days that you think you are having difficulties appreciating or understanding because you don't have a background in programming, because that will actually help us understand and perhaps provide additional explanations, so that we want all of you to be on board as far as understanding the pedagogic principles are concerned. uh, the exact assessment will differ, as we have already said, based on whether you know programming or whether you do not know programming. But we'd like all of you to understand, appreciate, and actually discuss any concerns that you have as we go through this material. So please let us know over the chat window, maybe by raising your hand, or over the discussion forum on IIT Bombay X, if you think that you're facing any difficulties, and particularly if you think that this could be because you are not familiar with programming. The second thing that I would like to mention is that uh, I know some of you, I mean, I was hearing the introductions. I know some of you have been in the KV system for many years. Some of you are there for multiple decades. But there is, and of course, you have very rich experience teaching children in the different subjects and standards that you teach. But I guess there is always, I mean, we are all teachers, and so there is always an opportunity for us to learn more about new things that we may not have had an opportunity to learn earlier. And I think it's best to view this session as one of them. I mean, talking about our side, we can say that when the workshop started on 16th, we had no idea that so many of you did not have background in programming. But then when we realized that on the first day, we said, okay, fine, that's a learning experience from us, and let's make the best use of that learning experience. Let's try to understand and readapt ourselves, as that whatever we say is of value to you. And I would like to request you to do the same thing, that although you have not had background in programming, what we are going to discuss about will of course have general pedagogic principles which are applicable to every subject, but it will also have things that are specific to programming, simple things that are specific to programming. And perhaps it's an opportunity for you to just learn a few things that you may not have had a chance to learn earlier. And please do let us know if you're facing difficulties because of your lack of prior background in programming. And finally, the point I'm trying to say is that, given that we are here and we're going to spend a few days together, let's make the best use of it. Hopefully you'll get to see, learn, and maybe even write some simple programs and see the fun of programming. And we will also get to understand what are the difficulties that you are facing, given that you did not have background programming. And I'm sure at the end of it, all of us would have learned from each other. And I'm sure that you would be able to take back to your individual institutions things that are going to help you, in your own subject, and also, a little bit of programming maybe you would have learned by then. And finally, I would like to say that about the letter that was discussed yesterday, and Professor Phatak also mentioned today, we are going to write a letter to the KVS authorities saying that because of this reason, we are extending the workshop for 2 more days. And so if some teacher needs to access the whatever computer room or some room, if he or she needs, then they should be allowed to access it, so that they can participate in this workshop. But I think it is also important to perhaps inform your respective principals, heads of your institutions, that this has happened, and that a letter about this is going to come from us, right? It should not fall from the sky for them, that suddenly we are writing a letter to them. So I think it would be useful and important for you to inform them that this has happened, and as a result we are going to extend it by 2 more days. and a letter from IIT Bombay organizers are going to come to KVS about this. And then, of course, we will follow it up with the letter. So that would be my third request, that please already talk to your principals, heads of units, academic units, organizations, whatever they are. And we will also write the letter to the appropriate authorities so that you are not inconvenienced because of this. So with that, I'd like to hand over to Professor Phatak so that we can continue. I guess it's also time for the other group to join, I think.
Yeah. Thank you, Supratik. I think the clarification should be very apt and should be useful. I will only say that the extension is not only because of the third group, but the extension is necessitated because many people in the first and second group had not completed the basic tasks which they were required to do on IIT Bombay X. So it's a composite reason. Between Professor Supratik and I will work out the wording of the letter so that it is appropriate. What we'll do is, apart from sending that letter by email to the top authorities of Kendriya Vidyalaya, we'll also make a printed copy, a PDF copy available on the platform so that any one of you can download it and present a copy to your own immediate authorities. With that, I think it is 3:25 now. Our next session starts at 3:30, and like all human beings, we need a brief bio break. So I announce a bio break of 5 minutes. I can see a large number of participants are now joining. We already have 86 participants. In next 5 minutes, I hope to have almost all 190 participants back in business, and we'll carry on from that point. So right now, I would request you to just keep your thing muted. Don't disconnect. Keep your thing muted. Keep yourself invisible and take a bio break. And please come back again sharp at 3:30. Thank you so much.